wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best gutter covers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Easy Gutter Easy Shield are a cinch to put in without any screws. This more closed style may be helpful if your home gets a lot of messy, smaller debris, but the placement of the holes doesn't allow for ideal water flow in heavy downpours. Each section is notched for overlapping, and the black color blends with roof lines. However, it's a bit pricey for the quality. At number 9, the wedge downspout is a great accessory that works better than the traditional round strainers that simply plug the downspout, allowing leaves to build up all around them. The inclined shape helps leaves to dry out faster and then blow up and out. It's available in white or green and requires some assembly, but it only comes in one size. Coming in at number 8 in our list. The amerimax snap-in are compatible with K-style gutters from 4 to 6 inches and feature a nylon mesh filter on top to screen out insects as well as tiny particles. They come in at a budget-friendly price and are simple to install. They're sold in packs of 25, easy-to-handle 3-foot pieces. However, they won't fit all gutter shapes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gutter covers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the LeafTech DIY feature a vented ridge that helps leaves and pine needles dry quickly and blow away when there's a slight breeze. While they have DIY in the name, installation is not simple, and the average weekend warrior may require some professional help. Their black finish helps snow melt faster, and they're made from durable heavy-gauge aluminum, but they may allow tiny dirt or pollen in. Moving up our list to number 6. You'll want to try the gutter brush if you aren't handy with tools but still want to take care of the maintenance yourself. You will need to pull out the brushes occasionally to shake off the leaves, but they do prevent large buildups. They're made from rust-resistant galvanized steel and are best at keeping out large leaves. However, they can be seen from the ground. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Raptor Super are designed for oversized gutters that are 6 to 7 inches wide. You can install these in a variety of roof lines, but over time debris can build up on the grooved edge, requiring a quick brushing to clean it off. The micro mesh keeps everything out, and these allow water to flow freely. They also come in a standard 5-inch size. At number 4, the Gutter Stuff Easy don't require any special tools for installation, so just about any homeowner can cut them to size and put them in. They're shaped for K-style gutters and come in 4, 5 or 6-inch sizes for a precise fit. These stop mosquitoes from nesting and can't be seen from the ground. However, they do break down over time. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Easy Gutter Easy Quick are designed to be installed without screws, so you can also quickly pop them out for periodic maintenance. The 4-foot sections are tension engineered to keep them in place even during extreme weather. Each box covers 40 feet and they're heavy duty but still flexible. They won't rust or rot. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gutter covers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you have a lot of tiny debris collecting in your gutters, the Leafs Out Micro Mesh are completely covered in pine holes that will keep out everything from pollen to insects. They're offered in a 6-inch sample if you want to check the size before you order. They come with self-tapping screws and work with multiple roof types. They're made from durable stainless steel. And taking the top spot on our list, the Flexx Point 30-year have an amazing warranty and come with stainless steel fasteners, allowing for permanent installation without voiding most roof warranties. They come in 4 colors, including aluminum, white, brown, and thermal Thor black. Their 3-point design prevents overflow, and they're made from domestic aluminum. These are priced well for contractors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gutter covers, or simply click beneath this video.